Hello everybody and welcome back, and it's early activation information that you want to know. So come on in, like and share the video on your way in. Please, please, please. And thank you for doing it. If you're not one of our crazy friends yet and you're just stopping by, well, hello, come on in. This is early activation information. And if you're not familiar with what that is, well, at 7 o'clock at the Dollar General, next week's sales go into effect. If the price for next week's sale is better than the one that's going on this week, that's the price that you will get after 7 o'clock. And you'll also still be able to use your 5 off 25, which is why this information is so important. And it can affect your getting your 5 off 25 if one of those items in your scenario is on sale. So you want to know. I try to bring you this information every Friday or Saturday before you go, as well as a deal every day, great vibes, lots of friends. Speaking of which, make sure you read the comments because they put you some good information in those comments. So talk to each other and, well, you'll get even more deals. So if you're not one of us yet, look below. Join the crowd. Become a crazy friend. Simply subscribe, hit the subscription button and the notification bell right there next to it. And that way you'll get notified every day with a deal. And if you don't get notified every day, well, just come on by the channel. There's probably one sitting there waiting on you, because sometimes YouTube is slow, and we all know this is time-sensitive information that you need to know. So feel free to come on by the channel. Save it in your favorite places. Go check it there 2 or 3 times a day. You might find 3 ways to save you some money. You might save $25 in a day. But you won't know unless you go and check. So, thank you. Everybody, you know the rest of the spiel. Please leave me that 3-word comment like, oh, I love early activation. Okay? That way I know that you like getting this early activation information. And if you liked your Just Deal deals, put it in the comments. I want to know that I did you some good Just Deal deals. And if you're new and you're wondering what that is, on Friday, I tried to do a video where it's simply my scratch pad. All the deals that I've been working on for the week, and the ones that you haven't seen. Okay? Because usually during the week, I show you the highlights of the ones I think that you want to see, or what's really actively going on that's hot, And then I have a couple of deals that I would want to do myself, or that really turned out well, but I haven't showed you yet. So I do that video for you on Friday and throw all those deals together, and it's just the deals. So if you haven't checked that out yet, go check that out before you go. You might find a scenario in there that you can use. Now let's talk about the early activation. We've got a couple of things that's important for us to know. Number one is the Tidy Cats is going on sale for $8. This may affect your purchase if you're doing that Purina $8 coupon. So that may affect it if you're using that $1 off on that $8 one, because you do have a $1 off manufacturer coupon that's attaching to that. Okay? Now, another thing that you might want to look at for that Purina, but make sure you scan all these Purina products, because not everything is attaching, even though it makes you think that it is your Friskies is on sale for $5.25. So scan them, before you pick them up to make sure they're included in that $8 coupon for Purina. Now, next up, we've got this right here. These totes are regularly $9.50 for one. They are on sale after 7 o'clock, 2 for $10. This is a phenomenal deal. 2 for $10 for storage tubs. So, great savings right there, guys. Now, where do I get my early activation information? Well, I get it from ladysavings.com. If you'll go there, you can sign up and she'll send it to you in your email. So you have this information as well. Now, we've also got going up the Dr. Pepper 12 packs, 3 for $13. Remember, your digital coupons won't be into effect until Sunday, but the sale prices go into effect Saturday night. Now, that being said, we've got our 5 off, and what are we spending this time? Oh, holy moly, they've even jumped it up. 5 off when you spend $25 on the per sale and all and Snuggle and Purex products. Ha ha ha. And it looks like we'll have the $125 for the Snuggle, and it looks like we'll have a $150 for the per sale. But we do have earns for the all detergent, and we have earns for some Snuggle products, as well as some Purex coupons. So, even though, I mean, that's a lot. If you can skip that one, skip that. We don't want to give them ideas. We want them to go back to the $15. Just like right now, hopefully we're all trying to boycott this save $4 on 20, because we want them to go back to the $15 one. Now we've got the save 5 on the $30 gain products. Will still be going on. You will still have 2 for $8 on your Fritos, 2 for $6 on your Lay's potato chips, and 2 for $7 on your Doritos. And your Pepsi products will still be 3 for $12. And there's, we still have that coupon. If you're getting Coke products, get them tonight, because they do not go on sale this week. Okay, so there'll be no sale on Coke products this week. Do your Coke products tonight. That way you don't miss out on that $10 and I think 46-cent savings. Okay, now, new Nabisco deal. These soft individual packs, or fresh stacks is what they're called. 3 for $9 are on sale. Use your $3 off coupon. You're going to get them 3 for $6. And then, of course, we've got the Kraft singles on sale, 2 for $6. And like I said, this stuff is important because you can use your 5 off 25 still and get these new sale prices. 2 for $2 on the Pure Life water. These things are normally 2 for $3. So it's a savings of $1. 2 for $5 on your Eggo waffles. That's a good deal. And 2 for $5 on your Quaker Oats. Another good deal. And it looks like we're still going to have the Campbell's Chunky Soup 3 for $5 again this week, and 3 for $5 on the Progresso again this week. Buy 2, get 1 free on the Hershey's Valentine's Candy with a save 2 on the M&M's. So we'll see if we get a coupon for the other. Now it looks like for that Nestle coupon for the coffee creamer, it looks like we've got a $1 digital coupon that will come into effect on Sunday. And there appears to be a couple of different instant savings for medicines, but your instant savings doesn't kick in until Sunday. So there you go, guys. That is your early activation information. But most importantly, if you need Coke products, you get them tonight. Okay? That sale is not extending. So blessings, and I'll see you again real soon, because tomorrow's Sunday and we'll have more brand new deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and everyday awesome information.